Okay, so the first step in relaunching my website, besides like the web design, is getting all of my shipping supplies in. So that's what we are going to be buying. I have stuff on Amazon, staples.com, and Eco Enclosed. So if you see some things that are not having to do with this video in my Amazon cart, they didn't. I will show you the supplies that I am getting. So besides these sunglasses, which I don't know if you guys can see, this is 10 pairs for $12. Yes, we are definitely getting onto that. But okay, so I want to start screen printing, so I'm gonna buy this kit right here and we'll just see how it goes. And I would like to just start out with black and white. I will probably get more colors in the future, but I just want to see if I can like get the hang of this and if I actually like doing it and it's not too time consuming. Okay, and then next I'm gonna actually make my own packing stickers, because whenever I buy them on other websites they're just really expensive, and these are 60 circles for $12, and these, there are 12 of them and there are 30 sheets for only $6, which is actually really good. Okay, so from Staples I'm actually gonna pick these up tomorrow. So these are the business cards and then these are the thank you cards. So those are the two that I have to buy from there. And then from Eco Enclosed, I want to try to be more resourceful and just be like eco-friendly, because obviously thrifting is about saving the earth and I just want to be better at that. So I want to get big bags, but I still have a big like pack from a while ago, so I'm gonna buy those next time. But for now I'm gonna buy these smaller ones for whenever someone buys like a solo item or something. And then I have been looking for like huge tissue paper to put like their packages in, so we're gonna do that. And I'm so happy that everything's like 100% recyclable. I just want to be more sustainable and I just want to start better and start fresh. So yeah, now I want to show you guys what I actually paid somebody on Etsy to help me design, because I started to design my new website all by myself, but it just got like so weird, and obviously I'm not a web designer, so I don't know what looks good together. So I just thought it would be easier just to pay someone. And if you didn't already know from the beginning of this video, I'm actually changing the name of my website because I just want to be able to separate Freckled Laur from my online website, because like Freckled Laur, we are over here doing YouTube, we want to be an influencer, and that's all fine and great, but I just want to separate that from the brand as a whole. So my website is now going to be Pre-Loved and Reloved, like an N with a little like on top. So yeah, it's really exciting. So I just want to show you guys what I have. Okie dokie, so this is what she came up with. This is going to be the main logo. The colors look different on camera, but it's Pre-Loved and Reloved. I love that concept. Okay, these are the highlight covers that she created for me, and this is the brand board altogether. So these are the 3 logos. This is gonna be one of the little like icons for up here. These are the color palettes, and I just want to be able to make my my website, my Instagram, and everything just cohesive. So having a actual color palette and having fonts to go together is just really nice, and I feel like it's just gonna look a lot better. So she also made Instagram highlights, and yeah, this is all so exciting. She left me the color palette with the codes, and she also left me the fonts to directly download. Then she has all of the logos and the highlight covers, and I actually love how this looks. I love that it's like in the shape of a heart, obviously being loved over and over again. I just think that that's so cool. And also this is one of my favorites. I asked her if she could like marble the 2 colors together. It looks so cool. I love it. So yeah, that is the first step. I think that this is going to be such an amazing journey. It is actually Sunday, March 21st as I am filming this, and I really hope to relaunch within the next like 2 weeks. That's probably pushing it, but so I'll come back whenever I proceed. Hello, so it is the next day and I actually just wrote all of these descriptions for a bunch of different items, and I am going outside and I'm gonna take pictures of them. So let's show you that, because this is another step of proceeding with my website. I have to take pictures of all these items and list them. So let me show you the new way that I have been kind of just taking better quality photos. Okay, so here is the setup that we have. I'm so sorry that it's kind of loud out here. These are my props, and then I have this just white sheet that I actually ironed out yesterday, and then I have the black clothing items, and then later I'm going to get the blue ones. But let's just take a time lapse of me taking pictures. Hello! So it's a few days later. I don't even know the last time I filmed. Since then, I actually closed my website, like I paused it. I bought the new domain. I also got the website almost complete. Now I just have to customize it. But I just picked up my business cards and my thank you cards that I ordered the other day, and let's look at them. So this is a thank you card. Super cute. Ta-da! And here's a thank you card. So cute. I love this page open just so that I could write a personal note. And yeah, love that. So I will come back whenever I do something else. Hello besties. The lighting in here is disgusting, but I just got out of the shower and we are going to print some labels for my website. So I am going to be packaging my orders in white poly mailers. I thought it'd be really cute to brand my bags by putting these on the outside, and these are so adorable. And I got 10 of these sheets for $12, and that's actually 60 labels, and that's so exciting. So I printed out some earlier just kind of to test it out, and I am going to show you guys how I'm going to print the rest. And also I wanted to have stickers that I could put on the outside of the tissue paper that I'm going to wrap their items in. And I have these, which are so cute. There's a lot, and this was like so inexpensive. Obviously it's gonna take kind of a lot of ink for the printer, but other than that, like, this was so easy. It's so quick. So let me just show you guys. Okay, so the ones that I ordered, they actually came with a template, so I downloaded the template and then I just put my design over it, and it's literally so easy. So I am going to set this up to print. Okay, and this is the template that I made for my smaller ones, and these actually have a lot more, so I'm not going to actually print all of them right now. I think I'll do just like 10 pages or something, and yeah, so let's do that. Okay, I am ready to rock now. I got about 15 of these sheets and 20 of these sheets, and I am set, so I will come back whenever I do something else for my website. Hello! It has been quite a few days since I last updated, and I have gotten some more packages in, so I'm going to show you guys. So first off, for the new tote bags, I am going to have the option to either just get the tote bag alone, or I got these super cute little keychains that have my 2 logos on them. So this is the first one. I love this logo so much. I'm literally so thankful for the designer that came up with them. And this is the second one. This one is personally my favorite. So cute. So I just got those in, and then I also got my package from Eco Enclosed. Yes. Okay, so let's open it. Also, I just got out of the shower, that's why I look busted. And also, I have a little friend joining us today. So from the first clip, you guys already know that I got tissue paper and then I got poly mailers. So these are the cute poly mailers. They are 100% recyclable, and I am so excited. Okay, and then this is what I've been waiting for so long. It's huge tissue paper that, again, is 100% recyclable. I am so excited. We are getting closer and closer to finishing my website. I have actually been designing it every single day since we last talked. Hopefully I have the transfer paper that is going to come in, and I will be decorating the bags and just designing those. So that'll probably be the next clip.
Okay, so here is what I have so far. I'm not sure that I'm totally in love with it just yet, but I've been working at this for hours, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. It looks pretty good. So to start, I just have my tote hanging off this side, so it's just easy to grab. I have this little bin that I use as a trash can, which is super easy to just like throw away stuff while I'm sitting down. Okay, and then down here I have my humongous tissue paper, which I have no other space for it, so that's why it's there. And then whenever I need to package orders, I'll just pull it up to the top. Over here I have this that I've had like for a while. I just reorganized it, and I'll go in depth in a second. Put all of these purses back up on the wall. So to go over here, this is from Five Below. I got these huge hands from I don't know where, but it's so cute. And this is like a humongous canvas tote bag that I put all my packages in, so it's just easy to carry, and it just like is one trip into the post office. So yeah. And then I have this from Target. I just thought it was a cute decoration. And then these are just for like my homework, which has nothing to do with my business. So yeah. Okay, so this top drawer, I'm not going to open it too much, but it is all of my receipts that I've ever had and any mail that comes in for me. This one is just a bunch of randomness. I tried to make it look cute, but I didn't know how. It's just like stuff that I need. Like this is the corner rounder. This is a pencil sharpener. These are like adhesive dots. I have a mini stapler. I also have essential oils. Just have them just in case. Okay, and in this bottom drawer, it is all my stuff that I would need for packaging. So I have my little bags right here, my business cards, my thank you cards, and these things which I just printed my logo on, and I'm going to put them on the poly mailers, which is really cute. I'm so excited to just put my logo on everything. And then back there's just a bunch of random stuff, so we're not going to go into that. Candles, so I just have one in the corner, and then I just have more supplies right here, followed by some books as decor and just books that I should be reading. Up here I have my bags, which will be super easy to grab. Same thing for these stickers. Over here I just have some random tapes, and I printed this thing out and I wrote "You are loved," so I just remind myself whenever I'm struggling. And then I have all these little things that I'm gonna add in for free in my April packages, so be sure to go and buy something off my website to get one for free. Next I have all of my keychains for the tote bags, which is super easy. I love how this looks. And then over here I just have like any writing utensils and just other things that I'll possibly need. And then I have my record player, and then over here is like my skincare stuff, so that's nothing to do with my business. So this is the UPS printer that I'm actually renting. I think it's like $3 a week, which is $12 a month. So yeah, I didn't want to get the Rolo printer just yet, just in case. I don't know, I didn't want to just pay all of that up front, so I'm gonna start out with this. And yeah, so I have that. I have all my Polaroid film for whenever I take Polaroids for customers. I have my scale, which is down there, and then the little like thing. I have all of my extra packaging and stuff down there. So yeah, I am so much happier with how this looks, and I am so excited to get to packaging orders.
So we are on the last few steps of this relaunch. I am so excited. It is Sunday, April 11th at 11:06. This is so exciting. So I just wanted to show you guys a few things before I end off this video. So basically I got this at the Dollar General here in my town, and it was $4, and it's one of these like trifold things, and it has 13 different tabs, and it is so helpful. So you take this thing off, and now I feel like a real businesswoman. I am ready for everything. I have any like legal papers of like my copyrights or me like registering my business in my state, and then I have anything that has to do with the bank account that I actually opened just for my shop. I also have any online receipts, so if I ever ordered packaging online, I have like keeping track of all that. I have receipts from thrift shops, from literally anywhere. And yeah, like I feel so ready. I am so excited for this. Okay, so the next step after I start like getting some sales in is to get a plan on this website called QuickBooks, where you can basically track your miles, track all of your sales, and it's just so easy. I think for small business it's like $7 a month right now, so I'm about to get on that. But just the last few things that I'm going to be doing before this restock is to promote it, which I actually did this morning. So yeah, this is my Instagram feed. I am so proud that I am just doing my relaunch much better and actually taking the time and just getting people hyped up and ready. Like I was saying, one of the last things that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating a email listing to send to all of the people at 12. So kind of have to switch it up a little bit because I made this a few days ago, but basically this is the email that I designed. I have this, my stylings, and then I have the tote bags, and then I have 2 free add-ons that you won't want to forget. But that is about it. That is my relaunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed watching this journey of trying to get here, because I am so excited. So if you're watching this video and you haven't already checked it out, please go check out prelovedinreloved.com and just see my hard work and just show me some support. So yeah, please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think they're pretty cool. And you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye.